Hey guys, what's up? This is Trx and welcome back to another review video. So guys, today we are reviewing another TRX website and yeah, I suggest you guys to go and invest in it. I think you can see some good changes in the future for your money. So let's begin. So first of all, you can see today we are reviewing trxnew.com website. And yeah, so first you have to create an account and I will show you how you guys can make your account. So first of all, you have to put your mobile number. I'm putting mine. Then you have to set a login password. Then you have to attach this number that you are watching on your screens. Then you have to sign up. And I am registered successfully on the website. So yeah. So guys, let's read the latest announcement. Welcome to join trxnew.com. Mining trxnew.com is a global digital currency mining investment company with users all over the world, providing users with the most stable, long-term and effective income. A professional mining integrity company. The only official website is that you can see company legal white paper, official Telegram customer services, and you can see more details. Okay. One, top up the basic account. The basic account will generate you income every day. Due to mining, you need to actively withdraw your profits every day. This is a permanent stable income. Registration rewards 3000 TRX, cumulative investment 5 TRX, 2000 TRX you can withdraw 5% every day. Cumulative invest 2001 TRX to 7 lakh 5.5 cash withdrawal, and you can read further. Let's go down. Second, invest regularly. In regular investment, you can choose a period suitable for your investment and different periods will generate different income. Mining, the cycle is 3 days. The income ratio and investment limit 200 TRX, and you can see all the details here. 3, promotion income. Promotion income is to share invitation link to friends, relative, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, media through their registration and recharge. The more users invite to recharge, the more you can earn profit. Promotion revenue can be withdrawn at one time. Get up. Okay, let's review the website now. Here you can see we have a balance of 3000 TRX right now, but you cannot withdraw this right now. And here you can see some options: deposit, withdraw, share, team, app, logout. Then you can see we have wallet here. It has $81.21. Join to be a Tron millionaire. Then platform data display, accumulated profit, memberships, and about us. You can read here more further details. And I will show you how you guys can deposit money inside of it. Just press on deposit. You have to choose account. I will go with transfer. I will go with promotional account. Then what you have to do, you have to copy this address you're watching on your screens. Go back and open up your Trust wallet. And after opening your Trust wallet, go to TRX. Then click on send. Then put the amount here. I will put 19 TRX. Because it will also charge some network fee. Then we will put the address up there, and you can see it's 1.21. 6 cent is the charges. We will press on confirm. Then you have to authenticate it, and you have to wait just. And I'm waiting here. As soon as this clock ends, this will go to directly to that website. You have to wait until this happens. We have successfully transferred some real money in the website, so I will reload it. In some time you can see your balance up there. Now I will show you how you guys can withdraw your money. Just press on withdraw. Then you have two options: basic account. If you put your money in basic account, you can press on basic account. If promotional, you can choose promotional account. Okay, then you have to put here the amount that you want to take out. Then here you want to put your address. I will show you how you can do that. Go to your Trust wallet and go to receive. Copy this and put this address right here and choose a basic account or a promotional account. Then you have to enter your security password here. Then you have to press on confirm. Click on confirm. You will get your transactions. So guys, this was a video by me, Abis Rizvi, and if you like it, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. I will catch you in the next video. Until unless, Abis Rizvi signing off. Take care. Bye.